Touch the earth with gentleness, touch the earth with love, touch her with a future by the way you live today. God has given us the power to create the world anew. If we touch the earth together, me and you. The time is here, the time is now, we can change things.
dei Sœurs di San Giuseppe di Chambéry. Dichiaro aperto il 28° capitolo generale delle Suore di San Giuseppe di Chambéry. I now declare open the 28th General Chapter of the Sisters of St. Joseph of Chambéry.
God has given us the power to create the world anew. If we touch the earth together, me and you.
Show the earth you care about her future. Melt the walls of hate and fear that keep us apart. Believe we can live together as friends of the earth. Touch the earth with gentle